Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to show you how you can actually show and hide formulas on your Microsoft Excel document. So let's say that you're working with a document that you're not familiar with and there's a whole bunch of formulas and you don't want to have to click on each one of them and see what the formula is doing. What you can do is you can actually come over to the Formulas tab on your ribbon, and if you come over here to the Show Formulas option and we select it, you can see it'll actually expand out all the different formulas that are on our document. So at a glance, we can see exactly what it's doing. So you remember in the last video, if you guys saw it, we went ahead and we were using relative referencing to go ahead and find the total. So you can see it has the sum, and then we did it a little bit of a different way here for this total, where we actually just manually type in the cells. So that is a quick way where you can actually show and hide the formulas. And if you want to hide the formulas, you can go ahead and click on this again. Or if you want to use the keyboard shortcut, you can use Ctrl and then the tilde symbol, which is in the top left, which should be underneath your escape key. So if you hold Ctrl, press that. And then if you hold Ctrl and press it again, it'll hide it. So that's how you actually show and hide formulas on Excel.